Posture has been a hot topic for centuries. I remember reading a vintage magazine from the 1800s and seeing a picture of the proper posture a lady was supposed to hold for supposed health benefit. We have everyone saying that our slouched over position is causing all of these problems. And now any posture like this is demonized as horrible. So why does posture matter so much? If we haven't met, my name is Joe Sidaway. I'm actually a doctor of physical therapy and I help older adults live their best years on their own terms. So let's dive right in. The short answer is posture doesn't actually matter. First, you must understand that sometimes posture can impact balance, breathing, and maybe influencing pain. But those issues are almost always connected to the real underlying problem. And that is our good old buddy, time. Time is gasoline to the small flame of posture. So when we sit in any certain position, our body is designed to be adaptable and flexible to the demands of life. I need to be able to sit, stand up, crouch over, jump, etc. I need to be able to do all of these things in my daily life. But time is the problem. If you stay in a position, any position, for hours and hours and hours, you are likely going to have some pain. Even just standing there can start to cause pain in your feet after a few hours. Or if you lie down too long, your skin can break down and you get bed sores or wounds on your bottom. So both postures, standing and lying down, are good. It's just time that matters. There is a solution that I think helps to meet both those who are really worried about posture and those who aren't sure, but you're just wondering, how do I fix the XYZ problem? Instead of worrying about your posture, use this mantra: the next posture is the best posture. So focus on creating easy ways to change your position that you're sitting or standing in. A wonderful example of this is something that I saw my physical therapy professors use a lot, which is a standing desk. It's an easy way if you live a life where you're sitting in a chair, either for work or for your hobbies, then you can set this up so that, every hour or every half hour, you raise that desk from sitting to standing. And then after another half hour or hour, you lower it back down. Another way that I've seen is, and this has been pretty successful, is having on your watch, especially if you have an Apple Watch, they can give you notifications when you've been sitting for too long. If you don't like using fancy watches, I got like a good old $15 one from Walmart. All you can do is just set a timer on your phone, and that every 30 minutes you're getting up and taking a walk for maybe a minute or two just to get up and moving. All of these are super easy, simple, actionable ways to get moving and to the next posture. Or if you're like me, drink lots of water so you have to have more bathroom break. All joking aside, there has been some instances, like I said, where posture has come up when I'm working with patients. And when we work on correcting posture, it has helped to relieve pain and improve breathing. I'm not saying a posture is 100% nonsense, but the only time you really need to be worrying about it is when you've tried the next posture is the best posture and you're not getting any benefits. That's when I think it is important to get an examination and to see if maybe there's more to the story. And that's why we have physical therapy as a profession. Excessive overemphasis on preventative posture training is really what I disagree with. Focusing on movement and changing positions is honestly just more sustainable, whereas it's usually not practical for you and I to constantly be thinking about a new posture that we're just not used to using. So get up, move around. I don't know how long this video was, but you've been sitting here for just a little bit. And as always, thank you so much for watching.